new engine cases.
Yeah.
Might phone Daz in a minute and say engine's done.
Yeah, I'll send him a photo in a bit.
A bit like Sarah, to wrestle with your own responsibility to try and stop it when actually
Technical to you, this, isn't it?
Thank you, Jimmy. I reckon Rob's got a catheter fitted, never goes to the toilet.
Big bladder.
You owed it, don't you, for a bit?
What's that bit of actually?
Wallow down, haven't you?
How much wallering's right though?
You're always sure the rate, aren't you? Hey.
Full on wallowing.
Or just a semi-waller? Or ooh walla.
They soak in 3 days.
Yeah. Is there any difference in plates on these, or are they all the same?
No, all 1.2s, I believe.
like your mum was at the stage when you were a small girl.
Yeah, there was a trail.
YouTube will be full by the time I put this video up.
Paid for 2 subscriptions.
Yeah.
You get to that time of day now, aren't you, where someone was going to leave it there.
Leave it.
It's like a cliffhanger, innit, every day.
The blue glove now in there.
What did you eat last night in the steak?
No, I went Chinese.
Chinese? Hey, chicken omelette?
Chicken wing. Yeah, two chicken heads up. Fucking smashed it, Rick. Went through the starters twice.
Oh, them are when I'm pissing them chicken balls. Making them right plate. They say, you want to want all that? They say, you don't want to only bike outside.
We're in.
Take 2.
Fast forward.
Got like that one that Dale's got, called some.
I think he's the only bloke who's going to have a week's labour. He's on week rate, not day rate.
Nip him for a simple job.
Yeah. Put down Ross for an hour. Ta-da! We have a winner.
Nearly done now. So while we're changing this Kickstarter,
The Rayspeed recommend that you use the ramp because sometimes the way it interferes with the shaft interferes with some of the gears.
We'll do the shout out for Anthony, the producer. He's having